Welcome to Bootstrap Tags. Today in this video I will show you how to create a multiple Facebook post campaign using bulk post planner. So in my previous video I talked about how to create a single post, but today I will show you how to create multiple posts using the bulk post planner. So this is the dashboard of ZeroChat. In the left panel you will see social posting. Click on that. We have two options, one is Facebook poster and other is social poster. So under the social poster you will see bulk post planner. Click on that bulk post planner. We will create a bulk post campaign using a CSV file. So to get the idea how the CSV file will look like, you can download the sample CSV file, download it and check the CSV file. See, here we have four options, four header. One is campaign name, campaign type, message and the source. You can give your campaign name, this is optional, you can leave it blank. And the campaign type, we have three types of campaign: link, image and text, and the message that will go with the post, and source. For link you will have to give your source, and for image you will have to give the image source. For text we don't need to give any source. I have already created a CSV file to upload for my campaign. So this is my CSV file called bulk post. I have created 9 campaigns here. Some of them are link, one is image and other are text. So now I will upload this CSV file to create my campaign. Upload. So this is my CSV file. It's uploaded. You can see my all the campaigns here from 1 to 9. Now there is two options. One is manual and other is automatic. Click on that manual. In the manual section you will have to give your date and time for each and every campaign. So it's very time consuming and tedious process. So you can go for the automatic. In the automatic section you have the post start date time. Here you will give your post start date time. Let's say 25th of this month is the post start date time, and post between 2 times. This means that if you want to post in the specified time, you will give this post between 2 times. Let's say I want to post from 10 AM to 10 PM. So I will select 10 AM to 10 PM. Post interval times, you can give your post interval times. Let's say I will give 1 day. That means that the post will be posted after 1 day. So do not post on days, post on days. Let's select Sunday. That means you don't want to post in Sunday. You can leave it blank, or you can give any day that you don't want to post. So repost, you can give your repost here. Let's say 2 times 2. So that means each and every campaign will be posted for 2 times. Then next, the start date is similar to the days that are off. So 25th is the Sunday. I will change the date from 24th. Next, posting time zone. Here I will give my time zone. This is my time zone. I'll select my time zone and post to Facebook pages. You can give several pages here, but for now I will give only one page, and you can give your Twitter accounts, LinkedIn, Reddit and subreddit accounts. Now create campaign. This success. We have created 10 text campaigns, 2 image campaigns, 6 link campaigns. Okay. Now you can check your campaigns here. Text post. So it's created. We have some actions. You can edit the campaign, you can clone it, and you can view it and you can delete it. let's click on the view. See, here we have all the campaigns created. The first campaign came as main campaign and all the other campaigns are sub campaign. So this is your campaign. So this is how you will create your multiple Facebook post campaign using bulk post planner. Thank you for watching the video.